Good evening. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Julia Thatcher.
And I'm Jeff Herndon. Youth violence in Wichita. It is a growing concern among law enforcement.
Several deadly shootings have happened in the last 8 days, some involving teens. KSN's Jasmine Aduse talked with police and the sheriff's office digging into the numbers.
From January through August 31st, more than half of all gun violence cases in Wichita involved people under the age of 24, and at least 26 victims were between 15 and 19 years old. A Wichita police captain says the number of young people caught up in young violence is alarming.
Very concerning, obviously, not only just for Patrol East, but for our entire department.
To prevent youth from getting caught in the cycle, Wichita police rely on a juvenile intervention unit. It consists of 2 officers who specifically deal with youth that are susceptible to getting involved in gun violence.
They get to know these kids, they can provide mentorship, and they also can see when they're struggling, when things are going wrong. And so they can try to get them out of that situation beforehand.
Sheriff Jeff Easter says the problem extends beyond the city, pointing to a rise in both juvenile and young adults facing violent crime charges in Sedgwick County. He says access to firearms is a major issue and calls on gun owners to take responsibility.
The mothers have 2 jobs trying to raise kids, they're not at home. And that gang lifestyle creeps its way in because they try to tell this 14, 15-year-old kid, we're your family. But they're using those kids to commit these kind of crimes.
Easter says another challenge is many families are stretched thin, leaving some teens vulnerable to gangs. He believes community involvement through nonprofits, mentors, and volunteers remain critical to keeping kids safe.
Be very mindful of the weapons that they have at home. It's completely legal to have your weapon in your car in your home, but then they're susceptible to people breaking in and taking them and then using them in violent acts.
Law enforcement leaders stress if you see a young person struggling or at risk, speak up, whether it's reaching out to police, a school, or even a community leader. They say one conversation could be help prevent the next tragedy. Here for you, Jasmine Aduse, KSN News 3.